Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove mail account from any iPhone. So for you to do that, you have to open your settings, then you scroll down, then click on mail. You can see this is it. You click on mail. Once you click on mail, then you click on account, then right here come and click on Gmail. Once you click on it, then we have the account name, the Gmail account that is linked to your mail app. Then this it, you can see mine is on a mail. Then you click on delete account. That is how you can easily delete or remove your mail account from your iPhone. And if you also if you connect your mail using the iCloud, you can also do this. Then right here you can sign out. It's quite simple, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.